So in the previous video you'll have seen me welding in these reinforcement bars on these rear arms and also painting them in epoxy primer. As you can see, they're now in black. I've used a glossy 2-pack black paint for this, so it should be nice and durable. Here's some footage to show you how I got on with that. Lovely. Right, so now this black paint's fully cured, it's time to crack on with getting these rear arms back together. One of my hold-ups with this so far has been these rubber bushes here. They're actually quite stiff and stubborn bushes. They're not just going to drop out, that's for sure. I was going to try the old threaded bar technique with them, but as I'm going to need to press quite a few things in and out on this project, I've decided to take the plunge and get on eBay, and I bought myself a nice cheap press. So let's see how that new press gets on with removing these bushes. Now because of the design of these rubber bushes, they only actually go in one way from the outside in. And the way the press is, that's going to make life very, very difficult for us. So I'm intending to cut off this wider bit on the outside of both of the bushes and heat them up and then hopefully press them out the wrong way. I'm ready. Right, so now we've successfully pressed out the bushes on these rear arms. It's time to go ahead and stick in some new ones. I've gone with Flo-Flex bushes this time, the polyurethane. They're supposed to be about the same stiffness as Powerflex purple, and initially they look pretty good. They're quite a bit cheaper than Powerflex as well. So let's see how we get on with putting these in. So I picked up sort of a pair of new wheel bearings for the rear, which look just like this. Right, time to fit them. One for good luck.
Keep going.
Noise has definitely changed.
Yeah.
Right, that's both the wheel bearings done. Circlips are always a bit fiddly, but we got there in the end.